Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Sammy B here with partsbreakers.com. Today I got a little quick tip. So if you ever have problems getting these little cables out of your parking brake, this is a CJ7 by the way, but they're similar on all Wranglers. There's this little cable that comes up for your parking brake. I'm going to show you a quick little tip to get that out quick, so you're not messing around with it too long. So what you do is you engage the parking brake, you pull it up as high as it'll go, and then you get yourself some vice grips and put it right here on the base. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. So you hook this up. There we go. Just like that. Now release the parking brake, and now you got some slack you can work with. So you just pull it right through. You see that? Boom. Now it's disconnected. Now you just got to get this clip out, and 2 bolts on the other side, and you got the whole parking brake assembly off quickly. So make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good day.